How to use ExpressVPN on Android. It's very simple, and I'm just going to open it up and get started. I'm already signed in. You'll need to put in your username and password given to you at sign up or whatever password you set. Dallas is already selected, so I'm just going to go ahead and hit the button. And there we go. We are connected to the US in Dallas. I am in Mexico City, by the way, so I usually try to connect to a server fairly close to me. Although, of course, you can select your server from a very long list of 94 different countries in continents all over the world. And now, with ExpressVPN connected, I have double-checked my IP address here. As you can see, it's still connected to Dallas. I have an American IP address, my country is listed as the US, and the website doesn't even know I'm using a VPN, which is good, because you want that for privacy purposes. Alright, that is just about it. I had fun making this video. I hope you had fun watching it. This is Ezekiel Bruni saying, please do like, subscribe if you found this video useful and helpful, and maybe hit that notification bell icon so you can get all of our latest tips and tricks and things like that. If you'd like to learn more about ExpressVPN and its features, do go ahead and check the link down in the description for the full review of ExpressVPN. And also check out our discount link linked below because, hey, if you're going to get ExpressVPN, why not get it on the cheap? Alright, with all that said, this is me signing out. Have a good one.